Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to review Forex Fury Robot. Forex Fury Robot is an automated trading tool designed for both beginner and advanced traders looking to simplify Forex trading. It claims a strong 93% winning rate with fully verified results through MyFoxbook, which should catch the eye of anyone tired of trading uncertainty. The robot supports MT4 and MT5, works with nearly any broker, and lets users pick their risk level, low, medium, or high, so customization is easy based on your goals and comfort with risk. The software installation only takes about 5 minutes, with full video guides for smooth setup. This tool aims for monthly gains of 10 to 20% depending on the market, definitely appealing for those hoping to grow accounts without constant manual effort. The helpful support team stands out, responding quickly to questions, and you'll always get software updates for free thanks to the one-time payment plan. The Gold plan costs $249.99 for a single live account, while the Diamond plan at $459.99 lets you use two. Both come with unlimited demo licenses and lifetime access with no ongoing fees to worry about. Minimum live trading can start as low as $100 on a micro account, or you can just practice with demo accounts. However, automated results are never a sure thing. Past performance isn't a guarantee. The system is set to trade only a few times per day and only in specific market conditions, so returns can vary. There's always a risk of loss, especially during unpredictable market swings, even with a trusted robot in charge. Forex Fury can be a powerful ally for hands-free trading, but every user should approach it with realistic expectations and careful bankroll management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.